At the University of Hawaii, Professor Lewis Herman and his colleagues have tested dolphins to see if they can understand what they see. Can they imitate an action perfectly the first time they're shown it?
It's going in.
In the experiment, the dolphin on the left performs the action which the other dolphin has to imitate. The dolphins receive instructions in sign language. The blue panel prevents the imitating dolphin from cheating by blocking its view of the instructions. Can the other dolphin imitate perfectly from the start?
I know. There you are! Oh, there you are! Very nicely done, Phoenix!
The evidence is clear. Dolphins understand what they see and so can imitate it exactly on the first try.
Interestingly, the dolphin is equally adept at imitating a human. So a human can act as the demonstrator in the water just like the dolphin has acted as a demonstrator. Or the human can be at tank side doing various behaviors. For example, a pirouette, nodding his head up and down, shaking his head side to side, lifting a leg in the air, and the dolphin does appropriate behaviors. It basically relates its body image to our body plan, even though the body plans are so different. So its tail, it perceives as an analogy to our leg.
Somersault, please.